Dealing with that, not today. Hey, wait a minute. What? It's a living. What? Okay. Uh, what? What the hell are you? I'm visiting Waterfall from the city. Synchronically, synchronicity, whatever the hell. My neighbor's daughter looks about your age. Her name is Susie. I feel like you two should be friends. You have a neighbor's blessing. Susie, as in the purple alligator. I know that Susie. North Block. North is Bullock Acres. East is Hotland. Temmie Village. Temmie like the cat that one. Why is Santa's music up here? Oh, awkward. I'm working right now. I mean, welcome to Blook Family Snail Farm. Yeah, I'm the only employee. This place used to get a lot of business, but our main customer disappeared one day. Now it's just some hairy guy that shows up once a month. Okay. What is going on with you? I've been long overdue for a second house. Is that snail rotting you? What the fuck? And this is just a worm. This snail is counting dollar bills. You sure it doesn't look like it's doing anything to me? And what the hell is going on here? Snail, a long journey extends in front of you. Snail, reach for it and stretch beyond the horizons. Snail, so snail is Sam Boyle. I don't know what the hell's going on. It's a snail. For some reason, you can't help but wonder what it tastes like. Fucking Toriel. Don't be influenced. Oh, it's locked. Oh. Oh, you really came. Sorry, I wasn't expecting that. It's not much, but make yourself at home. This place looks like the place I live in. It's a spider web. There's a flyer for a bake sale on it. CDs labeled Gouliday music. Play it? Yes. You play. What the fuck is it? What am I listening to? It sounds like two ghouls are having sex. Hey. You know, if I could like make out the sounds, it'd probably sound better. Spook tunes, sure. Oh, it's the same as this, but clearer. Hey, hey, yo. Undertale. Feels like we're in hell. But I'm here with the ghost, but you know I do the most. Over here in the underground, I got a frown. Not really, I'm kinda neutral. Superceutical, I'm a suitable. On my cubicle, I got this fridge right here that probably has nothing in it. Hungry as hell, someone help me. Help me. Yeah, hey. Oh, are you hungry? I could get you something to eat. This is a ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it? Sure. You attempt to bite into the ghost sandwich. You phase right through it. Oh, never mind. Great. Guess I'll just starve to death. After a great meal, I like to lie on the ground and feel like garbage. What the hell is wrong with this nigga? It's a family tradition. Do you want to join me? I didn't eat, but sure. Okay, follow my lead. Here we go. You'll lie down as long as you don't. You'll lie down as long as you don't move. Fourth wall break. So only move around when you want to get up, I guess. Wow, this is fun. This is high octane gameplay. Why is the mute? Napsterbook, what the fuck did you put in my sandwich? Well, that was nice, thank you. No, it wasn't. I'm out of here. What the fuck? Spiked my goddamn ghost sandwich. Oh, Jesus. It feels like I'm gonna throw up. Get out the way. I don't want to speak to you ever again after that. You fucking... what is going on here? Do you want to play a game? It's called Thunder Snail. The snails will race, and if the yellow snail wins, you win. It's 10G to play, sure. Okay, press Z repeatedly to encourage your snail. I don't have a Z on the controller, so I'll just press the actual Z button. Ready? Go. Go faster. Faster, bitch. You're going slower. Oh. Move, get up, bitch. Get the fuck up right fucking now. Oh, looks like you encouraged your snail too much. You're right, I fucking traumatized him. All that pressure to succeed really got to her. Oh. You know what, fuck it, we're going again. Yeah, I'm not doing anything this time. Yes, I'll play. I'm not going to press Z at all. Let's see what happens. Hey. Okay, maybe once. Go faster! Do you need another one? What about 5 more? This game is a scam. Oh, A is Z. Okay, Napsterbook, you're scamming people. I demand a refund. Shut the fuck up. I fucking hate you. I just wasted 20G on that fucking race, only for it to be a damn scam. What's this? Oh, snap. Is this Gerson Boom? He looks like him. Crab apple. I'm sorry, oh my god. Cloudy glasses. Invincible longer. Nah, I don't need that. Speed up in battle? Sure. Let me get a crab apple too. Let me get a few more of these. I'm carrying too much. Well, shit. How about I just sell some bullshit? Wait. Huh? What did he say? For the last time, I'm not taking it. Oh. I didn't read that dialogue. I thought he was going to say the same thing that Catwoman said, but apparently not. Okay, about yourself. I've been around a long time, maybe too long. Studying history sure is easy when you've lived through much of it yourself. Cool. What emblem? Huh? You don't know what that is? What are they teaching you kids in school nowadays? That's the Delta rune. The emblem of our kingdom. The kingdom. Oh. Of monsters. The emblem's right there in black. Great name, huh? It's as I always say, old King Fluffy Buns can't name for beans. Emblem's meaning. That emblem actually predates written history. The original meaning has been lost to time. All we know is that the triangle symbolizes us monsters below, and the winged circle above symbolizes something else. The angel. Most people say it's the angel. Oh, fucking called it. From the prophecy. So there's a prophecy here too? The prophecy. Oh yeah, the prophecy. Legend has it, an angel who has seen the surface will descend from above and bring us freedom. Lately, the people have been taking a bleaker outlook, calling that ring circle the angel of death, a harbinger of destruction, waiting to free us from this mortal realm. In my opinion, when I see that little circle, I just think it looks neat. So, a lot of, I had a theory about the angel being Noel at one point. Noel could bring about destruction. But other than that, it seems like the angel would be us. I don't know. I don't really know. I don't know how this game ends. Maybe we actually free all the monsters or something. Hopefully we do. I mean, I don't know. Right now I'm just trying to get to the king. King Fluffy Buns, he's friendly, happy-go-lucky kind of guy. If you keep walking around long enough, you'll probably meet him. He loves to walk around and talk to people. Huh? What do I call Dreamer Fluffy Buns? Oh, it's a great story. I don't remember it. But if you come back much later, I'm sure I have remembered it by then. Okay, about Undyne. Undyne? Yeah, she's a local hero around here. Through grit and determination alone, she fought her way to the top of the Royal Guard. Actually, she just came through here asking about someone who looked just like you. I'd watch your back, kid, and buy some items. It might just save your booty hole. Okay, thank you. Alright, well, I can't do anything with this. Be careful out there, kid. Is there any person I could sell to? This is kind of bullshit. Use the box, yes. Ballet shoes, don't need that. I don't know what the fuck the dog residue is. Astronaut food, sure. I can buy 2 more things. Give me the crab apples. Thank you, bitch. See you later, Turtle Man. Okay, now, what's down here? Nothing. Waste of time. Got it. Okay, I'm gonna save. Just because buying items and shit. Something like that. Hey, here I go to Hotland. Hurt, beaten, and fearful for our lives, we surrender to the humans. 7 of their greatest magicians sealed us underground with a magic spell. Anything that can enter through the seal... Anything can enter through the seal, but only beings with powerful soul can leave. Okay. See what you guys are saying? Are you guys creating the music? Ooh. Ah, she. Yes. What the hell? How are you supposed to... Oh, wait. This one, I see. What the fuck? Special enemy Timothy appears to defeat you. Why do you look cracked out of your goddamn mind? Temmie! Check. Temmie, rated 10 out of 10, loves to pet cute humans, but you're allergic. Hoi, I'm Temmie. What in God's name is that? Ew. 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 What? Ew. Oh, don't show that to me again, please. Flex. You flex at Temmie. No, muscles are not cute. Oh, I have to disagree. No! Just the 2 of us, huh? Get the fuck away from me. Ugh, oh my god. We're gonna flex until he flexes his ass out. There he goes. You won. What type of bullshit was that? What? Can I... Okay. How do I get up there? Can I get up there? Okay. Where? Oh my god. What is going on? Why can I go down here? What the hell? It's like with Deltarune all over again. But I did this on accident. Okay. Okay. I have to go down here. The music slaps though.
Hoi, welcome to Tem Village.
I'm very confused. I'm also like,
Hi, I'm Temmie, and this is my friend Temmie. Hi, I'm Temmie, and this is my friend Temmie. Hi, I'm Temmie. Don't forget my other friend. Hi, I'm Bob.
and I don't give a fuck.
Hi, you should check out Tem's shop. Yeah, I agree. Should check Tem's shop.
Where the hell am I? What hell did I enter? What is this place? And why am I here? You feel something. You're filled with determination. Yeah, I feel in the music. He spins some bars to.
Hi, welcome to the Tem shop.
Talk. Say hello.
Hi, I'm Temmie.
Okay. About yourself.
Hi, I'm Temmie.
Temmie history.
Hi, I'm Temmie.
Oh.
Us Tems have a deep history.
About shop.
Yeah. Go to Tem shop. Hi,
Oh my god. This is like an NPC dialogue.
Hi, welcome to the Tem shop.
What can I buy? Tem pay for college. College Tem pursue higher education. Tem Flake expensive. Tem Flake on sale. Heals 2 HP. Okay. What? I don't want something that heals me 2 HP.
Hi, welcome to Tem shop. Boy.
What the fuck? Okay, I don't know what to do here. I'm just going to continue on. This is weird, and I'm severely uncomfortable right now. Okay, good job, Kevin. You found a secret area. I think it's a secret area. I don't know what it is. Would that be considered a secret? I have a knack for finding these things on complete accident. People want to be like, oh, he's played this game before. No. All this is complete accident. I just have, like, controller drift or the weirdest luck. One of the two. Probably both, actually. My controller drifts a lot. So whenever I go, like, whenever I want to go just to the right or whenever I want to go to the right, it goes down sometimes. You know? Oh, great. Fuck. Fuck you. Stop, you ass. Oh my god, you suck. Damn it. Splashing you playfully. I don't want to be in the water, you fucking weirdo. God damn it. They keep messing me up with the speed. There we go. Flex yourself to heaven, please. Thank you. Great. So, what do I do here? Is this a puzzle? I don't like puzzles. I could still walk over there, though. That's weird. Oh. found it. No, I didn't. Yeah, I did. Oh, I did it. Without candles or magic to guide them home, the monsters use crystals to navigate. I think that's what I use here. Well, I can easily find my way. Oh, lantern. There we go. Oh, you mother... Oh, great. Okay. Fall. Where can I find me a lamps? Ah. God damn it, you suck. Okay, can I just run? Great, thank you. Hey, look, a lamp. Hey. Made it out of that hellhole. Oh, great, now I'm in water. Oh, great. I really hope nothing bad happens. Excuse me? Oh, great. Hi. Okay, heavy ass. Okay, I get it. 7. 7 human souls. With the power of 7 human souls, our king. King doing shit. Undyne, I'll help you fight. Really? Yo, you did it. Undyne's right in front of you. You got front row series to her fight. Seats, not series. Do you realize what's happening now? Wait, who's she fighting? Damn. Bye. You aren't gonna tell my parents about this, are you? Okay, thank you. Monster Kid comes in clutch again. You're gonna tell my parents about this, are you? Oh, how convenient. Whoa. You hear a passing conversation. If I say my wish, you promise you won't laugh at me? Of course I won't laugh. Someday, I'd like to climb this mountain. Oh, great. Can I go down here? Nope. Yo! How'd you escape? Dude, how'd you escape? That's wicked, man. Yo, I know I'm not supposed to be here, but I want to ask you something. Man, I've never had to ask anyone this before. Yo, you're human, right? Man, I knew it. Well, I know it now. I mean, Undyne told me, stay away from that human. So, like, I guess that makes us enemies or something. But I kind of stink at that. Yo, say something mean so I can hate you? Please? No. Yo, what? So I have to do it? Here goes nothing. Yo, I hate your guts. Wow. You could at least call me short, you know, that really gets people going. Man, I'm such a turd. Damn. I'm gonna go home now. Oh shit. Yo, wait, help! I tripped. Undyne. Fuck off, Undyne. I ain't got time for that. Oh shit. Yo, dude. If you wanna hurt my friend, you're gonna have to get through me first. Oh shit, yeah. 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 Thanks, dude. Bro, Monster Kid is clutch, bro. She's gone. Yo, you really saved my skin. Guess being enemies was a nice thought. We'll have to be friends instead. Man, I should really go home. I bet my parents are worried sick about me. Go back, dude. See you later, man. Yeah, later, dude. Just watch out for Undyne, alright? She's got a strong hand. She behind, grab your face again. Tell you that story when you're about to die. Yeah. Where's your mask at? You. Oh, there she is. You're standing in the way of everybody's hopes and dreams. Alphys's history books made me think humans were cool, with their giant robots and flowery swords, woman. But you're just a coward, hiding behind that kid so you could run away from me again. And let's not forget your wimpy goody two-shoes shtick. Oh, I'm making such a difference by hugging random strangers. You know what would be more valuable to everyone? If you were dead. That's right, human. Your continued existence is a crime. Your life is all that stands between us and our freedom. Right now, I can feel everyone's hearts pounding together. Everyone's been waiting their whole lives for this moment, but we're not nervous at all. When everyone puts their hearts together, they can't lose. Now, human, let's end this right here, right now. I'll show you how determined monsters can be. Step forward when you're ready. Goddamn tomboy. The wind is howling. You're filled with determination. No more running away. Here I come. What the fuck? Oh, on guard. Undyne attacks. My heart's green. Why am I green? I was blue, now I'm green. Help! Wait, in Deltarune, green heart means I block stuff, I think. That's only from the Gerson fight, though. Fuck. What do I do? Act. Plead. Don't kill me! Told Undyne you didn't want to fight, nothing happened. As long as you're green, you can't escape. Unless you learn to face danger head on, you won't last a second against me. You were saying? Undyne points heroically towards the sky. Challenge. You told Undyne her attacks are too easy. The bullets get faster. Not bad. Then how about this? You fucking suck. Undyne holds her fist in front of her and shakes her head. Quit ore farming, lady. You're a fucking fish. Check. Undyne. Attack 50, defense 20. The heroine that never gives up. For years, we've dreamed of a happy ending. Undyne bounces impatiently. Spare. And now sunlight is just within our reach. Oh. Oh, very, very... What do I do? Do I just keep sparing like the papyrus fight? I won't let you snatch it away from us. Kill yourself. Undyne points... Yeah. I guess just keep sparing. Yeah, enough warming up. Ow! Fuck! Ah! Wait. I can flee? No, is it going to say something like, no, you can't flee from a Undyne like blocks you, or you can't flee from a boss battle. Oh shit! Oh shit! You fast ass fish! You've escaped from me for the last time. Crab apples. Alphys told me humans were determined. Well, we are, bitch. Ah! That was okay. That's my reflexes showing off right there. Spare. I can see now what she meant by that. Fuck yeah. But I'm determined too. Are you? Ah! Determined to end this right now. You're a bitch. Suplexes a huge boulder just because she can. What is she, Kratos? I can't eat the snowman piece. I promised him I'd take him to the ends of the world. Spare. Right now. Flips her spear impatiently. Right now. Oh shit. A rat. Undyne draws her finger across her neck. Don't be hard, please. That was close. Can you, like, make me red again so I can leave? I don't have the HP for this. Yeah, die already, you little brat. No. Ow. Fuck! Oh. Shut the fuck up, Asgore. Then, no more running away. Here I come with my fucking spear. Oh, great. Be right back. Here we are back again. You know what I'm saying? Like, wah, 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 wah. Humans were determined, yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Ah! Flips her spear, yeah, you're determined, yeah, sure you are. Should I unite him? Do I want to risk it? Yeah, sure. Okay. Right now. Okay, I'm gonna just eat it because I know these next few are kind of hard. Damn it. Can you make me red again? Die already, you little brat. Yeah, this is the one I died on, I think. Circle method. They can't escape! Okay, I'm out of here. I'm out this bitch. Bye. Running. Stop! Papyrus, you're a bitch. Why did I think I was... I probably shouldn't have skipped that dialogue. I was panicking, okay? And now I'm fucked. Oh, wait, I could flee. Fuck. I could have fled. I'm fine. I'm good. I can flee. I'm fleeing. I'm out of here. Fuck you. Sad.
Fishy, you want some water? Fishy, want some water? Here you go.
Hi. What? Why are you looking at me? Okay. Sans, did you see that? That was fucking crazy. Sans. What the? Oh. Dang it. He probably did. What are you doing here? Okay. I was thirsty, so I came over here from Waterfall to get a drink. Yeah, that makes sense. Come here from Waterfall to... Who are you guys? Sing such shit like this, you're filled with determination. And I'm gonna stop here because I... What the fuck?